Hello and welcome to another Pokemon trading card game unboxing. This is Julio Clip here, and as you see, I did some shopping. I brought some Mythical boxes, Victini and Genesect, which were available the past couple of months, and some evolution packs. But I'm going to be splitting this video into a few parts. I'm going to be opening up this first, the Victini box, and I'll open these on separate videos, so definitely look out for those. So without further ado, it is time to open up the Mythical Victini box. Let's see the contents. You have the pin, the Victini special card, and 2 generation packs. Yep, and a code for the TCG online. So without further ado, it is time to open the box and check what we have. It was already kind of open, but hey, that saves me the trouble. All right, so we're gonna see. Whoop! All right, here we go. Oh, that was really easy to open. All right. Excuse me, I'm a little sick, so I may be sniffly a bit. All right, so here's the TCG card online. And here's the Victini. Wow, look at that Victini. Very nice. All right. And the Victini pin right here. Oh, excuse my hands. Haha. All right, so now it's time to open up the 2 generation packs. One with Venusaur and one with Blastoise. I'm gonna open up the, I guess it doesn't matter. I'll open up the Venusaur pack first. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Excuse me for a moment. I'm just gonna put this down to. Right now, I'm just using my hand to hold the camera or phone, and my other hand to open the pack. All right. The pack is open. All right, got it. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see what we have here. Fletchling, Pokemon Center Lady. Okay, why not Nurse Joy? Heals 60 damage. Okay, that's not bad. Shauna. Shuffle your hand to your deck, then draw 5 cards. That reminds me of this card. What was it? Card of Sanctity, I think? I forgot. Where you put your hand in your deck and you draw 5 cards. I think that's what it is. That's the Pokemon version of Card of Sanctity. Ghastly. Magmar. Whoa, Fire Punch. Slowpoke. Spacing out. Scavenge. Steel Energy. Whoa, Machamp. First hollow though. Oh, another Yveltal? Holy shit. I mean, darn. Whoa. I think this is the same one that I unpacked the other day. Oh, okay. So far, a pretty good start. Nice. I like that. Yveltal. All right. And now we're going to open up the other pack. All right, that was a little easier to open. 1, 2, 3. All right. Charmeleon. Metapod. Maintenance. Paras. Slowpoke. A Dark Energy. Pikachu. Golem. Ooh, wow. Look at that. A Sylveon EX. Very nice. Wow. Jeez. And Snorlax. Wow, look at this. I got pretty lucky today in this. See, I got Sylveon and Yveltal. Pretty beautiful pulls right here. You see nice and closely. Alright then, well, it is time for me to end. Thank you folks for watching. My next upload will be opening the Genesect Mythical box. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Once again, subscribe for more unboxing videos. I have plenty more. And also follow me on Twitter, which will be in the description. So, it's all good. And I'll see y'all again soon. Peace!